Hello, today I am going to demonstrate how to remove and replace a doorknob that does not have visible screws. I am downstairs in one of my rooms. The doorknob you're looking at now is the one I'm going to replace. As you can see, this is the side of the door facing externally. It does not have a keyhole or the screws. And as you can see, it's been painted over as well. This is the inside, um, painted over, but there's no screws to detach the doorknob. And as you can see, the main reason why I'm replacing it is because there's no internal lock or external to lock and secure this room. So first thing is, since there's no visible screws on the inside or outside, one of the things you want to do, this is an older lock, is look on the doorknob itself and look for an indent. So here you can see right here, there's an indent where my finger is. That indent has what I would call a fill-in latch that I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and I am going to press on this level, indent it, and it's going to allow me to pull this knob out. Once I get this door knob out, I will then have to focus on this plate here that covers the screws underneath. And in order to remove the plate next, there's a little hook. You can barely see it. See, it's right here. Let's see if I can. Still can't see it that well, but it's a little hook. There it is right there. You see it? I'm gonna press that hook up and over to allow the plate to be removed, and then I can get to the screws. So I'm gonna get started. Yeah, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take this screwdriver and press that level. And almost, there we go. See, and I can pull the knob out. Okay. So now I'm gonna focus on this little level, this little hook that's holding this plate in place. I'm gonna press up, and you know what? When I realized this plate has been painted over, so I'm gonna have to do like that. And as you can see, it's coming out because I've already pressed the level. But if it's painted over, you just have to be careful, and it pops right on off. So what I want to show you now is you can see the screws. And I'm going to unscrew those, but I'm not going to do it on camera. Once I finish unscrewing it, then I'm going to take the screws out here in the plate. Then I should be able to, once I get this off, get these unscrewed and taken out, I should be able to pop the doorknob out from back here. I can't find my power tool, or I would be using that. See, that's coming out. Okay. One thing I do want to point out is the way that you want to pay attention to the way that the doorknob is inserted, the old doorknob, because you want to, when you insert the new doorknob, you want to insert it in the same direction, meaning that, let me show you. So this here, as you can see, that it's like the slanted side is facing outwards, and then this back edge side is on the inside. So when we put the new one in, we want to put it the same way, and it's a reason for that. Okay. I wish I had my power tool, but you can't find it when you need it. Okay, so let's see how this now has come out. And now I'm going to focus on taking the screws out here. There, and I'm gonna do the bottom. It's been painted over, so you kind of break through that paint. Okay. Once I get the bottom screw out from the plate, then I'm going to see if I can remove. I may need to. Yeah, I can't right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just make sure I got. Be careful as you do this. Just enough to remove that. Sometimes. Okay. So let me show you here on this side here. Just taking. See. Actually, then I'm able to pull out the doorknob. And I can wiggle with this here. This part. So that's all I need to do is get this part out, and then I can insert the new. There you go. So see, and there you go. Sorry for the video. I'm not a professional, I'm an amateur, but I just want to show you how to get an old doorknob that does not have visible screws out. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye. I thought I was done, but let's show you one more thing. Remember I was talking about when you insert the new doorknob? So you don't want to make sure, because it was, when it came out, the old one, it was, remember this round part was facing that way. So you don't want to put it in this way. So that's the importance, because it will defeat the purpose of you being able to actually lock the door. It would not lock from this direction. It has to go the way that it was original key was in. So when you put it in, when I put it in, I had to put it in and kind of give it a little force to fit. It will fit. There you go. There you go. See, there you go. Perfect fit right there. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful.